Recipe for keema matar. Ingredients needed: 300 grams of minced beef or keema, 1 small tomato chopped, half an onion chopped, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, garam masala, 2 cardamom pods, quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of zira, 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic. For the garnishing we will need some coriander and 1 green chili chopped. We will also need some oil. Today we are making keema matar, so we're going to put approximately half a cup of peas, but this is optional. You can just have plain keema or you can add peas to it to make keema matar. Add some oil to the wok. Now we'll add the zira and the garam masala and fry it in the oil for a bit. Now that the zira is crackling, just add the onions and fry it a bit. Now that the onions have been sauteed, we will add all the spices and mix it all together. Now we'll add some of the ginger garlic paste as well. And finally the minced beef. And just mix it all together. Add a bit of water to soften it up. The color is now changing. And when it looks a little bit cooked, we'll cover it up. There we go. After around 5 minutes, you can uncover it and the minced beef has cooked. So it just needs a bit more time. We'll add the tomatoes now and mix it and then cover it up for a few more minutes. After a few minutes you can see the tomato is disappearing and the keema is drying up now as well. We will cook it for a bit more longer until it dries up completely. Keep mixing it all together. You don't want it to burn either, so the keema has now dried up and we'll add the frozen peas to it. Adding peas is a great way to add colour. And just stir it around. And now we'll add the coriander and the green chili peppers and stir it. After adding the peas, we'll cook for another 5 minutes. And now serve into a bowl. Your keema matar is ready.